face looks a bit shiny because I've just put moisturiser on, but I am just going downstairs to make some breakfast. It's been about half an hour to an hour. I need to wait between my thyroid medication and eating, so I think I fancy a strawberry protein smoothie this morning because it's been quite sunny and I think that would be nice to eat in the garden or drink in the garden. So yeah, I'll show you how I make that in my Ninja blender.
Dance for me, easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be perfect lips, got me rushing, panning, I'm so lit. Like lilies you open, the fragrance goes to my head, my darling, I get everything that has been, don't matter no more. We've burned it, all those whirlwinds can't touch us no more.
Sorry for the noise of the air fryer, but that smoothie really filled me up, so I'm just having a little light lunch. I would normally do a bigger portion of potatoes, but I just used one bacon potato, and as you saw I prepared my salad. I'm just waiting on the potatoes finishing just now, and that will be my late lunch. I really enjoy that lunch as the summertime's coming in. I love eating salads, but saying that, actually not long after I went inside, the rabbits were still outside and it started hailstones, so Rosie was absolutely soaking wet when I got her in eventually. So yeah, we've not went outside this afternoon at all, just because it's turned miserable. So I will show you when my potatoes are done and what the finished lunch looks like.
We've